Viewers, my name is Muhammad Farooq. In our series of book summaries, today I would like to share with you the summary of Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich is all-time best-selling and most popular book because it has lessons from 20th century most successful people like Henry Ford. Before going towards the summary, I would like to share one thing which is very important to understand, and that is that how our brain works. Our brain has two main components. You can say brain functions. Brain has two main parts. The first is our conscious brain. Conscious means that you are watching this video right now. This is your conscious watching this video. And other one is the subconscious. Subconscious is something which is continuously pushing you to read the self-help books, to read something, to understand something, to achieve some success. Might be right now you do not have that success in your mind, but your subconscious is pushing you to watch this video. Subconscious is the most powerful component of the brain. It is 100% powerful, a million times powerful than the conscious, because it drives you. For example, if you respect all the time elders, that is something in your subconscious. Sometimes because of our subconscious, we identify the difference between good and bad. Whenever you have some hints, whenever you have some intention, you see someone and you get some clues, some hints, that is basically coming from the subconscious. But subconscious has certain limitations, and the only limitation, the biggest limitation of subconscious is that it is driven by the conscious. How we can use our conscious to improve our subconscious, that's what this book Think and Grow Rich talks about. So I would go to the top 5 things which how you can do this thing to become rich. Although this book is only concerned with the Think and Grow Rich, but these objectives can be implemented in any goal. You can implement these steps in any goal. So Think and Grow Rich, first point is that you must have a clear vision. You must have a clear goal. Nothing happens unless until you do not have a clear goal. Clear goal is the first prerequisite to be successful. You want to be a university professor, you want to be a best entrepreneur, you want to be a best businessman, whatever is your goal, set your goal. You must have a clear vision. Okay. The second thing this book says that you need to affirm yourself all the time that you are the best person to do this thing. Just having the vision is not enough. You have to affirm yourself all the time. Third thing is that you need to bring the emotions inside it. It's not like that you have a vision, you are affirming yourself, but you need to use your emotions to make the goal, to push you to achieve that goal. The third part is the emotions, and the fourth part is that you need to do that thing visually. You must imagine it. For example, this is from the same point is in The Secret. They say that if you want to buy a car, if you must test drive your dream car. You cannot afford it right now, but if you test drive it, if you visualize it that you have it, the day will come, you will achieve it. That the book Secret has the story of the best selling book of Chicken Soup for Soul. That is one of the best motivational books. Million copies of that book has been sold. The story of that author, he says that I was poor, I was doing a job, but I wrote down on paper that I will achieve 1 million. And I all the time used to think about it, and one day I was having shower, I had this idea of writing this book, and then he wrote that book and he went to a publisher, and that publisher gave him $1 million for that book. So it starts all with the visualization help you to achieve that objective. And fifth part is that persistence, and you have to do it with the consistency. It's not like that you forget it. You have to show the consistency. So the 5 points is the summary of the book Think and Grow Rich. First, have a clear vision. Second, affirm yourself that clear vision. Third, bring your emotions in this. Fourth, you have to visualize it. Fifth, you have to constantly do it. You have to show the perseverance, you have to show the consistency. If you like the summary, please share it with your friends and invite them on this channel so that we have a larger community, and we will keep sharing with you book summaries. Thank you so much.